Guys, it's Pepsi coming back to you with another freaking video. And today I will be trying to like make a colored lip gloss, you know, more like a stained lip gloss. And yeah, so let's get into it. Don't worry about me not having gloves on or anything of that sort, because this lip gloss is just for me. I'm just like practicing on how to make tinted lip gloss. So what I have is a bowl, spatula, some Versagel, some red colorant, some almond oil, and some glycerin. Now, I usually don't use almond oil, but for some reason I just wanted to use it for this particular lip gloss. So yeah, let's get into it. Hopefully it turns out cute. I don't even like red, so I don't even know why I'm starting off with red. But I don't like, well, let me rephrase that. I don't like red lip gloss because it just don't look right on my skin, against my skin color. I feel like I look like a man. So I don't like red lip gloss. I like pink lip gloss, and that's about it. But what's up? How y'all been doing? I haven't been up too much. You making lip gloss, you want to make sure that y'all did y'all research, because I see a lot of people just trying to copy off other people and what they do. What worked for one person may not work for you. So you really have to do your research on like what type of oils is best for skin, or what type of oil can you use on your skin, because you just can't use any oil, because believe it or not, some oils people is allergic to, like almond oil. A lot of people have a nut allergy, so almond oil wouldn't be good to use all the time in lip gloss. So you just gotta make sure you do your research instead of just trying to copy off everybody else and what they do in their video. And if y'all can tell that I have on a wig, I just made this wig. So and I didn't feel like coloring my or tinting my lace. So if y'all can tell that my lace is very light, don't mind it. I need some more oil. You see how snotty this is? Oh no. So I'm gonna add some more oil. I don't know if this turned out cute. I might start selling it, because just because I don't like red lip gloss doesn't mean other people don't like red lip gloss. So this is the way I want mine to be, just like that. Now I'm about to add my tint. Probably just like one drop, and then just see how that is. But this is like a hot pink color, so I'm going to add one drop at a time until I get to the color red that I want it to be. So did it snow where y'all live at? Cause it snowed. It's still snowing. I'm gonna add one more drop because it's still not the color red that I want it to be. And I think that's about it. So I added 3 drops up in this lip gloss. And yep, this is the color I want it to be. I love the color of it. I do like the color red, but not on my lips. Let me show y'all. This is very cute. Y'all see that? This is very, very cute. Okay, let me get some of this napkin and rub. because I already had lip gloss on, so I'm just rubbing it off. Okay. This is the test, y'all. Okay, no. It didn't tint my lip at all. Probably just like a lightish, but that's the color of my Lion's Love. So let me add a couple of more drops because I really want it to tint your lips. Okay, I added 2 more drops because that didn't tint my lip at all. Ooh, a darker red. Okay. Still not red the way I want it to be red. Let me see. You can tell that my lips is a little bit red, but it's not the red that I want it to be. You know what I'm talking about. When people look at your lips, you can tell that you got some kind of red lip gloss, red lipstick on. That's the kind of lip gloss that I'm trying to make. And as you can see, you can tell that I have the lip gloss on. Baby, I'm so fine. But you can tell that I have the lip gloss on, but it's just not the red that I'm looking for. So let me add 2 more drops of that. Just imagine me trying to make a large amount of this. Oh my gosh, I probably will have to use the whole container of colorant. Like, that's crazy. Okay, let me try this again. This is cute. Can y'all tell that it's on? Now, this is the red lip gloss that I'm talking about. Ain't this cute? Do y'all like this red lip gloss? Do you think I should... Do y'all think I should sell this lip gloss? Because it's kind of cute, and I don't even like the color red on my lips, you know, but I don't know if it's my hair or what, but honey, this look good on me. Let me know if I should sell this lip gloss. Let me know if I should sell the color red. Let me know if I should make, what would I call this lip gloss? Color pop? Nah, because it's not really popping, because it's like a, I don't even know what to call it. What would I call this lip gloss? But because, like, I don't know. Let me know what I should call this lip gloss. Because this lip gloss is very, very cute. And I'm really feeling it. Like, I'm really feeling it. I'm really feeling it. So anyways, I hope y'all enjoy. I hope y'all enjoyed this short little video. I just wanted to come to y'all and make this video with y'all because I was sitting watching TV with my daughter, and I was like, oh, I should make a lip gloss, a new color lip gloss. And so this is what I thought about, and so that's the reason why I made it. So let me know if y'all feeling it. I know y'all probably not gonna say nothing back, but but anyways, peace out.